Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to help restrict background data in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. So just go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on connection. Scroll down, click on data usage. Then scroll down your data usage page, locate and click on mobile data usage. Then hang on for the mobile data usage page to open. Once it opens, scroll down, locate the application that you want to restrict, and then click on it. Then it should say allow background data usage. Now, if this is disabled, for you to turn off the restrict background, just enable this and then hit the back button. Then again, go to any application where you see restrict. Click on it and then enable allow background data usage. So you want to repeat this on all other applications where you see restrict. So once you see restrict, that shows the application can access mobile data or internet access on your phone. So scroll through and then locate the application again, click on it, and then enable allow background data usage, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off or how to off restrict background data in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.